Moms, I like girls.
What? No son of mine is going to be straight.
I want my booty cheeks intact.
Brave enough to swing the right way.
Hey, can I buy you a drink?
She's not interested.
This summer, meet the fridge protecting the snacks.
You need to get a job.
I'm escaping the Matrix.
This summer, one man can't run from responsibility.
Something's in the house.
Because it has a name.
Babe, I'm pregnant.
Where you going?
Going to grab some milk.
Ma, who's my dad?
I ain't paying no damn child support!
Dad, look at my hands.
You're ready to goon, son. Watch closely.
I'm going 67 times today, bro.
I'm proud of you, son. Let's goon together.
What's wrong?
Why am I not allowed to say it?
A boy on a mission to find answers.
Use it wisely.